Hello, I'm Rick Coulter with SKF, and this is the SKF Maintenance Products tool truck. We have these trucks around the United States in different regions, and we use this truck to support our territory managers and to highlight our tools and maintenance products. Well, this truck is available to be used by our authorized distributors and our territory managers in each region. And not only do we use this to demonstrate and promote our maintenance tools, we also use this as a training tool to train your maintenance teams on how to properly mount, dismount bearings, check alignment, and other items that are crucial to rotating equipment performance.